Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up live training with Zoom for lead generation, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating a Zoom account is the first step. Visit the Zoom website and click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log into your Zoom account. Next, navigate to the My Account section. Select the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Here, ensure your meeting settings are configured to your liking. You may want to enable participant registration to gather leads before your training. Click on the Meetings tab to schedule a new live training session. Select Schedule a new meeting. Fill out the meeting details such as topic, date, time, and duration. Be sure to check the box for recurring meeting if you plan to offer the training multiple times. In the registration section, enable required. This will allow you to collect information from attendees. Customize the registration questions to gather valuable lead information. Once completed, save your meeting settings. Now, take note of the registration link generated by Zoom. Share this link through your marketing channels, such as email and social media. Prepare your training content in advance to ensure a smooth presentation. Consider creating a PowerPoint or visual aids to engage your audience. Test your audio and video equipment before the training begins. On the day of the training, log into your Zoom account a few minutes early. Open your scheduled meeting and start the session as the host. Throughout the session, encourage interaction by asking questions. Use polls or breakout rooms if appropriate to maintain engagement. After the training, follow up with attendees via email. Thank them for joining and provide additional resources or a recorded version of the training. Include a call to action to nurture these leads further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.